Alright, we're at Fnac, and so there was another elevator over down that way, but it doesn't go all the way up. It only goes between the first floor and the ground. If you want to go up further, you have to take this one. It's kind of a weird setup, but interesting nonetheless. Otis. That's an American giant.
Este ascensor sube. Planta quinta. Abriendo puertas. Este ascensor baja. Planta primera. Abriendo puertas. Este ascensor sube.
Got an Otis logo down there. And this is also a Europa 2000. Pretty cool. First Otis Europa.
Planta quinta.
That literally sounds like they're
Abriendo
playing.
puertas.
It sounds like they're playing like a literal recording of the Otis chime, not the actual Otis chime. That's funny. All right, let's get that chime once more. Haha. Just like the Series 1 chime at home. Anyway. Oh, I like that cat too. That's it. I like the lights.